Drinking a beer and chewing. No, not chewing. Coughing. So I said to him, I said, you cough that gum one more time. And he did. So I took the shotgun off the wall and I fired 2 warning shots. Into his head. More than I could possibly say. He was a real artistic guy, sensitive, a painter. But he was always trying to find himself. He'd go out every night looking for himself, and on the way, he found Ruth, Gladys, Rosemary, and Irving. I guess you could say we broke up because of artistic differences. He saw himself as alive, and I saw him dead.
Number 17, the spread eagle differences. Squish. Scissor. Lipschitz.
Sellised saatuslikud glamuursed naised tantsivad Error tantsukoolis ja Eleanor Noora Pruun oli selle tantsu autoriks. Aitäh teile!